Hello, good evening. Can you open your camera and microphone? Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, can you see me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I am Teacher Berna. What is your name?
My name is Phạm Thái Anh.
Okay, what would you like me to call you? Do you have an English name? How do you want me to call you? Hello, baby. What is your name again? Is it Pat? Okay. So, little princess, again, I am Teacher Berna. What is your name?
My name is Phạm Thái Anh.
Okay, Fam. Okay. Fam, tonight, I want to ask, why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English, Fam?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to learn English to learn how to speak?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So tonight I will show you the book that we will be using. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, but before that, can you please give Teacher Berna a beautiful smile? Okay. Are you ready with our class tonight?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I would like to ask, did you eat your dinner? Are you done eating your dinner? Baby, are you done eating your dinner? Hello, are you done eating your dinner, baby?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you have your energy now. So, by the way, tonight we will be having this Speak Now One book. Okay, can you please read this one?
How old are you?
Very good. How are you? Okay, do you want to answer? How are you? Are you okay or so?
Yes.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Okay, why are you happy? Did you play today? Did you play today?
Yes.
What did you play? What did you play? Did you play dolls today?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now we have here number one, vocabulary. By the way, this is about greeting people and saying goodbye. So we have here in letter A, write your first name, middle name, and last name in the chart below. So we have here now your first name, just like this one. Hello, my name is, can you please read this? Dana.
My name is Thái Anh.
Okay, can you please read this part first? Hello, my name is Dana.
Hello. My name is
Dana.
Hello. Dana.
Grace. Grace
Grace
Smith. So we will read
Smith.
this as Smith. Very good. So we will answer just like this. Hello, my name is Dana Grace Smith. But for now, we will write your name. Okay? Okay?
Hello. Yes.
Hello. Okay, go. You may now start. Hello, my name is.
Hel- Hello, my name is Dina.
How about your own first name? Your own first name. Your name now. We will write it on this part. What is your first name? For example,
My name is Thái Anh.
okay, can you please help Teacher Berner write it? Can you please spell it? Okay, can you please spell it now? Letter?
Phạm Thái Anh.
Can you please spell it out, baby? Your first name is?
Thái.
Again, your audio got... Okay, what is your first name again? Spell it letter F. Is that letter F? Baby? Is that Pham? Okay, how about your middle name? Can you help Teacher Berna spell it?
Thái.
Phạm Thái Anh.
Okay. Again, can you please, how will we spell it? How will we spell it? For example, Teacher Berna, my name. Okay, how will we spell it, baby? For example, Teacher Berna's name. Hello, my name is Berna. B-E-R-N-A. Okay, how about you?
Hello, my name is Phạm Thái Anh.
Okay, so your first name is Pam. What is your middle name? How do we spell it? Is this T-I-A?
Đánh bằng chữ Thái. T.
Okay, T.
Hầu viết như nào? Là đọc đi.
What's next?
Phạm Thái Anh.
Không, tức là cô đang bảo con là đọc cái từng chữ Thái á, dịch ra chữ Thái T A I đây gì đấy.
Is this how we spell it?
Chứ Hờ đọc nào? Hờ đọc tiếng Anh đọc nào?
Okay, let me give you an example, baby. For example, hello, my name is Berna. B-E-R-N-A. Berna Calonzo Borja. So we will spell it, okay? B-O-R-J-A. Hello, my name is Berna. B-E-R-N-A. Calonzo Borja. So we will spell your name. Spell it out. Pham Tai Ang. Is this how we spell it? Okay, so let's skip it, okay? We will move on. Is it okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, so we will now be having this part, conversation. So we're done knowing your name, just like me, Teacher Berna. We have here a conversation, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Đã sẵn sàng chưa?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have here, what is Steve's last name and what is Emma's middle name? So I will be Steve and you will be Emma. Okay?
Yes.
So I will read Steve and you will read Emma. Okay? So hi, how's it going? Kindly read this. Fine, thanks.
Five takes. How are things?
Thanks. Very good. Pretty good. My name is Steve Hill. What's your name? I'm Emma.
Emma.
Emma Lori
Lori
Shaw.
Shaw.
Very good. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet
Nice to meet you.
too.
Nice to meet you too.
For a while.
Miss me.
Okay. Nice to meet you too. Can you please repeat it? Nice.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good. Well, it's time for our class. See you later. Take it easy. Can you please read it?
Take it easy.
Very good. Now we have here, practice the conversation and exchange the blue and green words above with the words below. And we will practice it now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you please show Teacher Berna a beautiful smile before we start? Okay, very good. So again, I am Steve and you are Emma. Okay?
Yeah.
How are you? I'm
And
fine.
I fine. Thank you.
I'm fine.
Bye. Have a
Have a
nice
nice day.
day. Very good. Have a nice day. Can you please repeat it? Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Okay, very good. Since you read all of the words correctly, I will give you a good job clap. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Very good. So we will now moving on with this one. Do you love reading? Do you love reading?
Chưa thị. Đây.
Do you love reading?
Đây. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So we have here language booster. So we have here the different ways to greet people and say goodbye. Okay? So we have here the formal way of saying hi and goodbye and the informal way of saying hi and goodbye. Okay? So we have here greeting
Yes.
people. So when we say greeting people, we will saying
Yeah. Goodbye.
greeting.
Good morning.
Very good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Then good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so this is the formal way to greet people. But this is the informal way. We have the word hello.
Hello.
Hi.
He.
Hi.
Hi.
And hey.
Hey.
Very good. Now we have here a question. Can you please repeat this after Teacher Berna?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have here, how are you?
How are you?
We will respond on this question by saying, I'm fine. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you.
Very good. We have here also, how is everything? Can you please repeat it?
How is everything?
Very good. We will respond here with saying,
Yes.
everything is great.
Everything say grace.
Again,
Everything.
everything, everything
Everything is
is great.
grace.
Okay, very good. Now we have here, how are you?
Are you?
How
How
are
are
you
How are you
doing?
doing?
We can also say, everything
Everything
is great.
is great.
Very good. Now we also have here an informal way of greeting people using question. We have here, how's it
How is
going?
going?
Very good.
Going.
Going. Okay, so again, how's
How
it
how is going?
going? Very good. We can say fine.
Fine.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Very good. Or we can say I'm
How
all
oh,
right.
right.
Very good. I'm all right. Can you please say it? I'm all
Right.
right.
I'm all right.
Very good.
am.
Another question. How are
How are things?
things? Very good. We can say not so
Not
well.
so well.
Okay. So by the way, this second one, we have here an apostrophe. That's why we will read this as I'm. But if it is written as I, then A and M, we will read this as I am. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Now, how about saying goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay, we can say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We can also say have
Have a
a nice
day.
day. Very good. We can also say good night.
Good night.
Very good. These are the formal ways to say goodbye. And these are the informal way. We can say see you. See you.
See you.
And take care.
Take care.
Okay, very good. You deserve a good job clap again. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Can you do it also? 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Cô đi. Đi hai thôi.
1, 2,
Thứ hai
3.
thôi.
Good
Nghe vừa nãy con
job.
thứ hai. Vừa nãy con thứ hai.
Okay, very good. Do you have a question? Do you have a question on this one?
Yes.
What is your question? Do you have a question? Okay. If you don't have any question, can you please read the instruction? Take turns.
Take
Greeting
greeting
each other
is under
and saying
a saying
goodbye.
goodbye.
Okay, so again, we have here letter A. Can you please read letter A? Good,
Good morning,
young.
Young.
Okay, good morning, young. Can you please repeat it?
Good morning, Young.
Very good. And letter B. Hi, Maria.
Hi,
Maria.
Hi, Maria.
How
How
are
are
you?
you?
Very good. And then letter A. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you. Very good. Letter B. Have a nice
Have
day,
a nice day,
Maria.
Maria.
Then letter A. Goodbye, young.
Goodbye, Young.
Okay, very good. Now we have here number 4, listening. Okay. So we have here each situation. We have here the formal and informal. We need to circle the correct answer. So let us just listen for this one for a while. I think we should skip it because this will take time. Okay. So I think we can move on this part. Okay. We can move on this part. Okay, we have here the conversation about Jess and so we have here a conversation about these two men.
man.
Okay, very good. So since you're not inside the classroom, we will just talk between you and me, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we have here, hi, how's it
Hi.
going?
How's
How's
it going?
okay,
How's
it going?
it is going?
Okay, very good. We have here, pretty good.
Pretty good.
My name,
My name is Tom.
very good. I'm Marco.
I'm Maro.
Marco.
Marco.
Very good. Well, take care.
Well, take care.
You too.
You too.
Okay, so we're done with this book. So we will practice now between you and teacher Berna. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. Good evening. What will you say? What will you say? I will stop sharing, okay? So we will practice now. Hi, good evening. What will you say?
What did you say?
I see a
I will greet you.
teacher.
Okay, I will greet you, okay? Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Very good. You can say, how about you?
How about you?
Okay, I'm fine. By the way, I am teacher Berna. What is your name?
My name is Phạm Thái Anh.
Okay, very good. Pham Thai An. So again, I am teacher Berna. How old are you?
My name is Phạm Thái Anh.
Okay, very good. Now I will ask, how old are you? Are you 8
I'm,
years old or 6
I
years old?
seven. I 7 years old.
Very good. I am. Can you please repeat it? I am
I am 7 years
7 years old.
years old.
Very good. I am 7 years old.
I am 7 years old.
Very good. Where do you live? For example, teacher Berna, I live in the Philippines. How about you? Where do you live? I
Please
live. You can say, I live
live
in
in
Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Okay, very good. And what grade are you in? Or what class are you in? Are you in elementary? Are you
Two.
okay? Again, what grade or class are you in?
Two.
Okay, grade 2. Very good. By the way, baby, Pam, do you have any question with our class tonight? Do you have a question? Yes, I have. Or no, I don't have.
Yes, I have.
Okay, what is your question? If you have a question, you will say, yes, I have. But if you don't have a question, you will say, no, I don't have. Do you have a question, Pam?
No, I don't have.
Very good. Okay, since you don't have a question, it's time already. It's 9:25. I hope you will learn English with Teacher Berna, okay? Welcome to Fun.
Yes.
Welcome to Fuel Fam.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Welcome to Fibo. Thank you. I will stop recording, okay? Again,
Yes.
again, I am Teacher Berna. I will be your English teacher and welcome to Fibo. Goodbye. Good night.
Goodbye.